Oh, these kids need baths. You guys get to get your first bath tonight. Yeah. Oh my, that'll be fun. Oh, that'll be so fun. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. No, I don't think so. You don't jump right over him. Oh, hi. You're not tired already, are you?
He's not.
He's never tired. He's never tired.
Oh, let's tell Taylor that. He'll be thrilled.
She climbs in and goes to sleep before he does.
He's never tired.
Little girl. They both love water. That's for sure. Here. Ouch.
I wonder if Taylor has anywhere to take him with water. I know he was talking about taking him on trails, and he's checked into dog parks and things.
Oh, he'll love things like that.
Yeah, so I was just thinking to ask him. I'm going to email him later. So I send these pictures out.